Now, a few days ago, I did my laundry here. Room 1091, as you can see. Anyway, since I'm on the road for almost a month, I wasn't willing to bring that many pieces of clothes in order to save on luggage costs and weight and all that. So, I got them done here on the boat. $20 for as much as I could fit in a bag. And this old bag was able to do it with all of my shirts and socks and underoos. And then they cleaned it. By the end of the day, it was back. But look at how nicely they pressed everything. I don't think my shirts have been this nicely pressed since before I bought them. Look at this. Are you? Oh yeah. This is sick. They did an even better job with Sophie's stuff, didn't they, Soph?
Yeah.
They did. Anyway, thank you, Holland America. You did a great job.